then let's see how they'll line up. And here is the away team formation. Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes should be captivating. Alba. Can he finish it? And that's out for a goal kick. The keeper plays it short there. Passed inside. Mbappe. Keeper gets the game going. And Dijk gets it away. It's back with the goalkeeper. Passed out wide then. Mbappe! Now that really was a great volley. A chance to have a better look here. Well, so far, so good. The favourites have got the opening goal. This is Hazard. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. Bonucci. That's great determination. That's good link-up play. Confident pass. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Defender in possession. It's Messi with the ball. Now it's Pogba. This is Hazard. What an opportunity! Oh, it's an equaliser, all square. He tucked it away. What a well-placed shot. Well, let's take another look at that. And it's now 1-1. It's anyone's game. Sends it long. Throw in here. And that clearance will lift the pressure. Good possession. It's there. There's the whistle. It's half time. This team have made changes. Looks like they're really going for it in the second half. So level at half time and we're underway again. Who's going to take the initiative? That's nicely played. Headed on. He's got the ball and here's a chance. The replay will give us a closer look. The keeper hits the goal kick long. Ederson picks it up. Sterling. Now it's Pogba. Some really fluid passing on display. Good ball. Alisson collects. Bruno Fernandes. Perfectly executed. Good defending. Here's Mane. They've won it back. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. Alba. Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just offside. turn defence into attack. He steps up to steal the ball. Ederson picks it up. He's headed the ball forward. Ooh, quality defending there. Finds his teammate. Chiellini has the ball. He clears the ball to safety. Volleyed on. That's full time. We're all square. On to extra time and possibly penalties. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. One or two tired limbs out there as we start extra time. They have the ball again. It's Ronaldo. It's Ronaldo! The keeper's blocked that one. He got a good hand behind that. Let's see that one again. Aim towards a penalty spot. Alba. The shot well blocked there. The keeper collects that one. Here's Ronaldo. Now De Bruyne. And that's a throw-in. He has a go. Well taken by the goalkeeper. Left to avoid the dreaded penalty shootout. Sends it forward. Mbappe. Good distribution. Oh, really good passing now. And it's Ronaldo. Unbelievable. So they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Not the best effort there. Let's have another look. How out of character. He normally buries those. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Now it's Pogba. He's onside here. Oh, it's a clear chance. Extra time couldn't separate these two teams, so it will have to be decided by penalties. Oh, well taken penalty. Solid strike there, never in doubt. The keeper stopped it. Solid strike there, never in doubt. Left the goalkeeper with no chance. Oh, confidently taken. He made no mistake in putting it away. The keeper was never going to get that. Well taken penalty. Tremendous pressure here. He must score this penalty. Nice finish. One kick away from victory, that's all. crucial spot kick now. It comes down to this. He has to score, otherwise it's all over. And there we have it. So unlucky here. We'll have to wait until next season.